This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading the drum evenly. Do not cram clothes. Once loaded, select the detergent drawer and add the measured amount to the correct compartment so the machine dispenses at wash time. Make sure to add fabric care items like bleach or softener to their slots only when needed. You should choose a temperature and spin that match the fabric labels. This protects garments and saves energy. When ready, close the door firmly and proceed to program selection. You now pick the program and refine settings, turn the dial or press the program button and watch the display confirm your choice. Once done, change temperature and spin speed to balance cleaning and fabric care, lower temps for delicates, higher for whites. Make sure to enable pre-wash or extra rinse only when really necessary because they increase time and water use. If stains persist, apply a stain remover before starting. Finally, press start and monitor the first 2 minutes to ensure it fills. You finish by stopping the machine and waiting for the lock light to go off. Open the door and remove garments promptly to avoid mildew. Once empty, leave the door ajar for ventilation and wipe seals to prevent odors. Make sure to run a monthly drum clean cycle to maintain performance. If the washer fails to drain or starts error codes, check the sink-like filter and hoses for blockages. If problems persist, power cycle the unit and consult the manual or a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.